I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, the easiest place to shop and get all of your needs met with Bitcoin and Lightning transactions. You can head over here. They've got gift cards from Amazon, Walmart, Steam, Uber, Instacart, Airbnb, Apple. The list goes on, but they have you covered. You can be living on a Bitcoin standard like me, and BitRefill has been a godsend. So head to bitrefill.com and use code BTC Sessions at checkout for discounts.
You know, the layers can make different trade-offs, basically. So, I mean, I think layers are natural, like most networks are layered. And it's, on the main chain, everything is sort of tilted towards security, dependability, robustness, decentralization. And people want it that way because they're storing savings on it, they're making censorship-resistant transactions. So the main chain is most censorship resistant and the best security layer for cold storage, but that has costs and trade-off, right? So on other layers, Bitcoin can make different trade-offs. So the layer that people are most familiar with being Lightning, it can make trade-offs where you've got more of a hot wallet exposure, right? Because the funds are necessarily online. But in exchange for that, and some convenience factor of needing to set up channels and so on, which hopefully software can automate over time, you get instant transactions, so much faster, much cheaper, and much more scalable. So we get something for it. So, but I think it's interesting to say that, you know, that you can't just put that in the base layer because it would erode some of the other features. Some of the features conflict. So you don't get things for free. There's some trade-off involved, right? And so I think what you've seen over time is layers evolve for different specializations. So Lightning for micropayments, Liquid for trading things, smart contracts, stablecoins, securities, other assets, and topically Fedimint for privacy, basically, and another approach to scalability. And they're all making trade-offs, and maybe there will be some more layers. I mean, there are some other ones as well.